Here we have a 2020 FLHTKSE CVO Limited in the beautiful two-tone Smoky Gray and Stormcloud. Harley-Davidson badging on the tank. This does come with the Milwaukee-Eight 117 cubic inch engine. Tons of power, crisp auto response. Beautiful red accent details. And that scorched chrome exhaust. Does come with the Kahuna lineup, so floorboards, grips, passenger boards, all match. Has an incredibly plush driver's seat with Tour Pak. Your passenger will feel like they're in a recliner. And it has this double backing backrest to really dial in for comfort on those long road trips. We have lockable one-touch saddlebags. They're electronically lockable, so the Tour Pak and the saddlebags, you can lock them via the key fob. And you have speaker lids. This does have a set of Two Brothers Racing slip-on exhaust. Gives a nice deep rumble. LED lighting in the Tour Pak. Tour Pak's also one touch. You can fit two full face helmets in there, lock them away for safekeeping. .117 badging on the derby cover. Heel toe shifter. This does have a center fill gas cap. Boom audio system. Beautiful gauges up on the fairing. Does have a set of aftermarket meat hook style bars. And this comes with RDRS. Cruise control, control the stereo from the grips, all that. Dual cooled, so it has liquid cooled radiators in the lowers right here, plus your traditional air cooled that passes over the engine cylinders. Iconic batwing fairing that is fork mounted, so when you move the bars, the fairing follows. LED adaptive headlight. So the bike itself senses when the leaning angle passes a certain point and will illuminate darker corners. Beautiful Tomahawk wheel in the front and rear. Highway pegs. Also part of the Kahuna collection. Let's go ahead and hear a cold start.